every day I want to learn English, but sometimes I feel like giving up. Do you also feel the same? So this video is for you guys. Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Akanksha. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how I stay motivated or consistent to learn English language every day. Okay, so without any further ado, let's come to the point. Actually, you know what, guys, learning English is not easy. Not easy for me, not for me, but also for English learners, because it is a lifelong process. Okay, every day you have to learn something new to improve your English. If I'm talking about myself, so sometimes I feel tired, and sometimes I feel confused, and sometimes I feel like giving up, but still I continue. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because I have a strong reason to learn this language, and maybe you also have a strong reason. That's why you are watching this video at the same time, right? So you know what, so whenever I remind myself of my goal, like I want to communicate with people, I want to speak confidently, and I want my child to speak this language from the very little age, and I want to achieve big things in my life. I want to make more money. When I started thinking about my goal, so I feel motivated again, and that's why I stay motivated for a long time. you know Motivation can be up and down, but if you are consistent, then you can learn this language. You can learn this language every day. But the thing is that you have to find your reason why you want to learn this language, right? If you don't find your reason, then you cannot learn this language. I don't try to learn everything in one day. I just learn a new words. I practice daily. I make simple sentence, and this small practice makes me feel happy and keeps me going. I practice every day. Yes, I practice every day, even if I have 10 or 50 minutes, but I practice. Sometimes I practice in front of the mirror, sometimes I talk to myself, and sometimes I record videos, because I know very well practice gives me confidence to learn new things every day. And the most important thing, I stay consistent. You know, motivation can be up and down, but consistency is the key. Even in bad days, I try to do something in English, and this practice helped me to improve my communication skills. So this is how I stay motivated to learn something new every day. So if you are also learning English, so just stay tuned and stay consistent, and just take a small things every day, and you can do it also step by step. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.